Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to public experience in Roblox step by step. Start by opening Roblox Studio and loading your place file, then check all assets are uploaded and named clearly. Next, test gameplay locally and fix errors before publishing. Verify game settings, set permissions to public, and confirm moderation filters are active. Finally, publish updates and monitor analytics to improve retention and player feedback over time. Access game settings, then choose the Overview and Permissions sections to configure visibility and roles. Make sure the experience is set to public if you want open access, and assign trusted collaborators with appropriate roles. Enable moderation tools and filtering to protect younger players and reduce harmful content. Configure server settings for max players, join scripts, and respawn rules, then save and publish when everything is confirmed and tested. Quick recommendation: if you like neat setups, try leak-proof containers for meal prep and tidy studio snacks. They save time between dev sessions and prevent spills on keyboards. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials and tips. Check the description for the product link and other deals, pick one that fits your routine, and now let's get back to the video. Run thorough tests using Play Solo and multiplayer emulation to find bugs and latency issues. Invite a small group of testers to try the public experience and collect feedback on gameplay, balance, and performance. Address critical bugs, optimize assets to reduce load times, and confirm monetization elements work as intended. When satisfied, publish the place, announce the launch, and watch analytics to iterate quickly on player behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.